Hi guys, Happy New Year. So how was your New Year weekend? I guess bloated a little bit, huh? Around the tummy, right? So, even if you're following me on Instagram, I was traveling a lot. The change of places and travels and water and no sleep and a lot of things usually tends to make you bloated. So number one reason for me to get bloated is lack of sleep and change of water for me, not sticking to a proper diet routine or my workout schedule. Let me share with you very simple, easy 8 steps that I love to do when I want to de-bloat. Especially now it's 2021. We are all very charged up about our fitness this year. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Easily start करते वीडियो को. Let's begin. पॉइंट नंबर 1 मैंने बहुत सोचा, ठीक है. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू डी ब्लोट इज स्लीप. अ प्रॉपर साउंड 7 to 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप. देखो, अगर आपकी स्लीप सही नहीं होगी ना, तो हमारे बॉडी में एक हार्मोन है कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन दैट यूजुअली अफेक्ट द वेट अराउंड योर बेली एरिया. ये वेट गेन आपके बेली एरिया में होता है ना, बेली फैट का इशू होता है, सबसे ज्यादा ब्लोटिंग की इशू होती है, वो ट्रिगर करता है एक हार्मोन कोर्टिसोल. So cortisol hormone is very responsible for the weight gain around your tummy area. Usually जब ट्रैवल करते हो ना, या फिर यूजुअली जब पार्टीज होती है, सेलिब्रेशन होती है, हमारी स्लीप बहुत ही मेस्ड अप हो जाती है. सो वन बिग रीजन फॉर ब्लोटिंग इज इरेगुलर स्लीप. सो आप प्लीज इसको ठीक कीजिए. एंड द बेस्ट वे टू स्लीप अर्ली एंड स्लीप प्रॉपर फॉर 7 to 8 hours is to reduce your mobile consumption at least 30 to 1 hour before bed. जिसके आपके मेलाटोनिन जो हार्मोन होती है, वन दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंक्रीजिंग स्लीप इन योर सिस्टम, वो इंक्रीज होती है. एंड दैट इज वाई यू कैन स्लीप बेटर एंड हैव अ साउंड स्लीप. सो ट्राई डूइंग दिस टेक्निक. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर 2. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वेरी 3 सिंपल टमी एक्सरसाइजेस जो आप कर सकते हो टू हेल्प यू डीब्लोट फास्टर, एंड दैट विल बी समथिंग अराउंड योर नेवल. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. सो टेक 2 fingers here and take it at a distance below your navel, just a 2 fingers gap. When you find that point here, pressure करो उस पे 1 minute तक, hold that point. This will help you. Now for the second one, take 3 fingers grab from both sides of the navel, as you can see, both parallel sides, and उस पे जो point है, pressure point, उस पे 1 minute तक आप उसको press करके रखना है, just for a minute. And the last one is with 3 fingers, do clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation around your navel, clockwise, anti-clockwise, for at least a minute. Point number 3 is to have lukewarm water instead of normal water that you have. खास करके अभी सर्दी है, विंटर है. और आप ग्रीन टी भी ले सकते हो वादम से, which is one of my favorite green tea brands, and we'll talk about it in a bit. Now the next point is to add more probiotics and fermented food to your diet. Like my favorite, as you all know, is apple cider vinegar. Also have kombucha, another favorite of mine. Then you have dahi, curd, or you have kefir if you're lactose intolerant. So do include these kinds of fermented food more to your diet. The next point is avoid certain food combinations that may trigger more bloating in you. Now a very common misconception that we have is that milk with banana is a very common thing that we have usually as smoothies or shakes, and that can cause a lot of bloating in itself. क्योंकि क्या है ना, milk in itself is a meal, it's quite heavy, and उसके साथ banana जब आप ऐड कर देते हो तो बहुत लोगों को वो सूट नहीं होती, especially when you're bloated. This is not what you want to have. Next healthy option that you should avoid is nuts and olive oil, yogurt and fruits. इससे भी बहुत लोगों की ब्लोटिंग होती है. हेल्दी है ना, बट उनके कॉम्बिनेशन रॉन्ग है. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज व्हेन यू आर ब्लोटेड, प्लीज अवॉइड कॉफी और मिल्क टी इंस्टेंटली, बिकॉज मिल्क से बहुत लोग ब्लोटेड हो जाते हैं, खास करके अगर आप लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट हो और आपको पता नहीं है. एट सच सिचुएशन यू कैन डेफिनेटली इंस्टेंटली चेंज टू हैविंग ग्रीन टीज. Like I have already spoken about milk tea preferences and green tea preferences in my video earlier, so let me talk a little bit in detail. So I personally prefer the Vadam green teas. This one gives me a caffeine boost and also refreshes me because they have a lot of flavors. Now it is said that green tea has catechins which helps in soothing the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, hence it eliminates buildup of gas. Now I have also seen a lot of people find green tea very bitter and tries to add sweetness to this, but this is extremely smooth and tasty. It's 100% organic, made of pure long tea leaves and all pure ingredients. They're ethically sourced from direct tea plantations, and they're mixed with pure herbs and spices. You can definitely see the pyramid shaped tea bags, which I absolutely love. You have a chamomile flowers in them, a little bit of ginger, natural flavors of lemon, mint, citrus. There's absolutely no artificial flavors and adulteration, and this is the time a lot of us want to go on detox, and it's a perfect addition. I've used their products earlier as well. They come with these 4 variants of green tea. These are all low in calories, full of antioxidants, great for your weight loss journey as well. So they have organic Himalayan green tea, chamomile mint citrus green tea, lemon ginger green tea, and detox kava green tea bags. So I'll have the link in the description box. Okay, so definitely check them out. I have tried their teas earlier as well. Really an A-class quality tea. Next point, next few days, whenever you're eating any food, please chew them properly. Take your own sweet time and chew your food properly. Next point is, of course, along with your workout and exercise, try to walk, brisk walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps in a day along with your exercises. This will be my last tip to you. Of course, see, you have to add more protein to your diet. You have to eat healthy. You have to include healthy fats, a lot of fiber to your diet. Along with that, I'm going to show you certain yoga poses that will really help you de-bloat faster. Let's have a look. So in conclusion, bloating, guys, is a normal phenomena that affects all of us, okay, irrespective of you being a fitness freak or absolutely anti-fitness. It's common, but belly fat and bloating is not the same thing. It's completely different, okay. So bloating actually can reduce instantly within 3-4 days or 7 days for a lot of people. Some people can do it very, very quickly, but yeah, this should actually help you see massive change in 7 days. And please, guys, when you're doing these tips to de-bloat yourself, no junk food. And once again, let me repeat, sleep better. For the next 7 to 8 hours, you gotta sleep, guys. Sleep better. Do everything under the sky just to have sound, better sleep, to de-bloat faster. Check the description box below for product details. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.